Hi, I'm Julie with Limitless Van, and I'm here with Van Wilder. Van Wilder is built on a 148 high roof, all-wheel drive Ford Transit, and today I'm going to give you a tour, so follow me. So first up, we have the bumper, which is an Limitless bumper, and that's here in the front. And then we have Falcon snow-rated tires, and they are great. Combined with the all-wheel drive from the Ford Transit, this vehicle can go pretty much anywhere. So it's already been tested going over a super snowy mountain pass, and it did great. We just powder coated the wheels there and made them black so they look a little bit better. And then up here we've got our KC highlights, and those are in our Transit Safari rack. And the rack we actually build in-house here at our shop in North Bonneville, and it is available on our website. And then we also have the side ladder, also made here in our metal shop in-house, and that's also available on our website. And then we installed flares, and flares are really awesome. It allows our customers to sleep sideways in the van, which frees up more space for them. And then here in the back, we have an Limitless rear tire carrier, and this is super easy to install. It's a great product. And not only does it make the vehicle look a little bit nicer, but when you add beefy tires to your van, sometimes you can't fit them underneath anymore where they belong. And so this has a practical purpose as well. So I'll go ahead and show you the inside. Here we've got the garage, and this van is already lived in and loved. So it has a little bit of dirt, which is just the way an adventure van should look. So here we have our electrical cabinet. And in here we have 300 amp hour lithium battle-borne batteries. We have a 3,000 watt inverter. And then we also have our RedArc total vehicle management system. And RedArc basically works as a control panel for all the systems we have in the van. Here we've got a light switch to turn on the lights. So when you're unloading at night or loading at night, you've got that, and they're also on a dimmer, so you can dim those. And then over here, we have a 25-gallon water tank. You just open this up, and you have a shower outside. So our shower is heated. We have Rixon's hot air and hot water. We love Rixon's. They give great customer service, and that's how we keep our van warm and keep the water hot. And then the couple who bought this van, they love to ski and they love to road bike. So we built in a ski rack here. You can actually see the skis are on it, and they go through that compartment for interior ski storage. And then here is our pull-out tray, and it pulls out, let's see if I can do this here, for super easy. It pulls out way farther than this as well. Just for easy loading and unloading of all your gear. People love this. There's hookups for your bike and everything that you need. And that is the garage. All right, so now I'll show you the inside of the van. So we have a full kitchen in the van, and this is an isotherm 130 refrigerator. It opens this way for easy access on the inside. We love this fridge. It has lots of storage. And then over here we have our Rivati sink, and we made a custom cutting board to go on the top of that. We love the Rivati sink. It's deep, and it includes the straining system and everything you need there. And then we also have a single induction cooktop over here. And for eating and working when you're on the road, we have our lagun table, and we use oak with live edge for both the counters and the lagun table. And this table's awesome. It totally moves. It moves up and down, so it can be flush with the counter. We've got the swivel seat so you can eat and you can work. And this is a nice little bench seat for a third person. And then here in this cabinet, you open it up, and we have a Lavio dry flush toilet. And this is an awesome toilet. A lot of people like composting toilets, but this toilet really keeps the stink away, so it's awesome. And then back here, we've got our cabinets. They are Agar white laminate with leather pulls, and we have in-cabinet lighting, so you just open it up, and the lights go on, and they shut off when you shut the cabinet. Our clients really like the crisp white walls, which we love as well. So they used sill leather for the walls, and sill leather looks great and it's super easy to clean. So that's an awesome thing for vans that get dirty. We also have the headliner. And just to add a little more interest to the van, we had the headliner diamond stitched. And then we also built in this shelf for storage and included that oak trim to tie it all together. And super important in all our vans, we include safety systems. So here we've got the Nest safety system, and it includes a carbon monoxide detector. Highly recommend these are in every van. Definitely a safety feature you don't want to miss. And then over here is our control panel. So this is where they control all their systems in the van. Up top we have 300 watt solar, we've got the batteries, we've got the heater. All that can be controlled here, including the lights right there on and off. And then this shows the bed sleeping sideways. Again, that's possible because of the flare space flares. And so it adds more room in the van. And then they have reading lights. And again, a super nice remote control to control the max fan up above. And then they also have this extra space here for cutting, whatever they need to put bags on. And inside here as well, we also have several drawers for storage, more cabinetry on this side, and then under the sink, we've got our gray water tank. And so, or under this sink, I should say, we have our gray water tank. And so when they are running the water, the gray water tank collects it, and it's super easy for them to empty. So this is Van Wilder. We love all the custom details that our clients chose and the way it came together really perfectly. All right, so that is Van Wilder. If you like this video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up and subscribe, as we'll be adding more van tours and more videos to help you out in your van build soon.